Hello guys, and welcome to another Serge Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be removing this resonator here, and I decided to make a video about it because a lot of you guys don't really know how to remove it, surprisingly, but it's actually very easy. As you can see, this vehicle's disassembled pretty much in the front, so it's going to be very visible in what we need to be doing. But you simply need to disconnect that bolt and that one right there. So we basically need to attach this here like that. So that's out. Now we do it right here, but you normally have to climb underneath the vehicle and just really mess with it in these very tight spot. So once you actually remove those, just simply comes right out. And you might be wondering, why do you have to replace one of these? Well, they like to leak around this type of crack here. So this particular one, it's not leaking. You know, you can tell that it's leaking due to the fact that when it's actually installed like this, it's going to be splattering from these holes like everything. It's going to be making everything around it dirty. But this is a dirty engine regardless. But here's the turbo actuator, and that's the thing we're going to be removing next in the next video. But guys, if you like this video, please hit a like at this video, and if you want to buy this turbo resonator, because chances are yours is busted, feel free to check out my listings on eBay. I'm going to link it up in the description below, and basically just go there, and if you like my price, just go ahead and buy it. If you want a different price, send me an offer. But I offer free shipping and stuff, so keep in mind I have to cover my shipping as well, and I gotta make some money because, you know, I'm not really working for free. But if you want to support my channel, that's one of the ways to do it, guys. Just simply by buying some parts. Well, next, guys, we're going to be removing you know, some other components, like we have the turbo actuator that we can remove, and we also have a bunch of this other stuff. So see you guys in my next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.